Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Dropbox to attach work samples on LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Files tab in the left sidebar. Locate the work samples you wish to share and click to open the desired folder. Find the specific file you want to attach to LinkedIn. Right-click on the file and select the Share option from the drop-down menu. In the Sharing options, click on Copy Link. Ensure that your link settings allow anyone with the link to view the file. Now, open a new tab and navigate to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Click on the Add Profile section drop-down menu. Select Recommended and then choose Add Featured. In the Featured section, click on the plus icon to add new content. Choose the Links option from the options available. Paste the Dropbox link you copied earlier into the URL field. Click Add to proceed. LinkedIn will generate a preview of the file. Add a title and description to provide context for your work samples. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save button. Your Dropbox work samples are now successfully attached to your LinkedIn profile. Feel free to revisit your profile to ensure everything appears as intended. This straightforward process allows potential employers or connections to easily access your work. You can repeat these steps for any additional files you wish to share. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.